Half a day, dear people of Guam. I am Peter Santos, and I am running as a write-in candidate for the Attorney General of Guam. It is absolutely no secret that on Guam, there is a violent crime crisis, and criminals are not being held responsible because there just aren't enough trained and qualified prosecutors. Prosecutors are highly specialized attorneys, and not just any attorney can be a good prosecutor. I really wish I could say that the crisis that we are experiencing at the prosecution division at the Attorney General's office under Leeving Camacho is unprecedented. But the sad reality and the harsh truth is that we've been down this road before with Douglas Moylan. Both Leeving and Doug have driven away good prosecutors. If you haven't been able to decide who's worse, Leeving or Doug, in this election, there is another option. Me, Peter Santos. Write in Peter Santos for Attorney General of Guam. I am the only candidate that has been a GPD officer, a prosecutor, a magistrate, and a defense attorney as well. I am the only candidate that has been in the trenches and rose through the ranks. I am the only candidate that is a common citizen without family interests in big business. I am the only candidate that can fix the crisis that we are in and provide a safer Guam. Write in Peter Santos for Attorney General. Thank you, si Diyos maasi, maraming salamat, and kilisong.